Other icons on the canvas area. There are other useful icons at the bottom of each view. Let's see the functions of some of these icons. Scale, used to change the scale of the drawing in the current view. Visual style. As the name suggests, it is used to change the visual style of your current view. I will change the view to different visual styles, and then I will change it back to shaded. Shadows. As the name implies also, this is used to toggle on and off shadows in the view. Keep in mind that the tasks performed by these icons at the bottom can also be performed from the property palette.